Have you ever wondered why we hiccup? Hiccups occur when the diaphragm muscles, which separate the chest from the abdominal area, contract suddenly, causing the vocal cords to close abruptly and produce an involuntary and uncontrollable hic sound. Hiccups are often triggered by overeating, drinking alcohol or carbonated beverages, stress, acid reflux, and swallowing air. So, what can we do to get rid of hiccups? Some effective methods include taking a deep breath, holding the breath for a short time, and then exhaling, drinking at least 7 sips of water from the far side of a full glass, applying pressure to the eye sockets, taking a deep breath and then bearing down and sucking on a lemon.